Welcome to another video. We will continue with the solution of the January 2024 paper. We are question 9. In this question, we are only going to do part A, the circle theorem question, as I find that there is an error with with part B of the question. So we are only going to do question 9 for this until 9A until we sort out the error on the in part B of the question. It says KL and M are points on the circumference of a circle with center O. With center O. XY is a tangent to the circle at K, and angle LKY is equal to 48, MKO is equal to 12 degrees, and angle XKN is equal to 56 degrees. All right, so we are to find the value of the angle KOL given reasons for your answer. Okay, so KOL is this angle here, so we want to find the value of that answer. Now what we need to remember, so KOL is equal to twice LKY, and the rule for that is that the angle at the center, which is this angle here, is twice the angle that's between the tangent and the chord. So here we have a tangent and the chord. So because the angle at the center is subtended from this chord, then this angle is going to be twice this one. So therefore, since this is 48, KOL is equal to 2 times 48, and that is equal to 96 degrees. Okay, so remember now what's the reason? Angle at center is twice the angle between tangent and chord if the angle at center is subtended from the same chord. So that is what is most important here, is that here we have the chord KL, and here we have the tangent and the chord. So that's the angle between the tangent and the chord. Now if you realize that this angle at the center is subtended from this chord. So because of that concept, the angle at the center is always twice the angle between the tangent and the chord. So therefore, this angle here is equal to 2 times 48. So that's how you would have got that answer to that question. So KOL again is equal to 2 times 48, which is equal to 96 degrees. Okay, and that's how we would have got the question. It says find each of the value of the following angles. So we want to find the value of angle LMN. So we want to find the value of this. We want to find the value of this angle here. Okay, so we want to find the value of LMN. So what we need to recognize in this case, that here we have a tangent KL and we have another tangent KN. And the rule says that angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate angle subtended from that same chord, right? So the angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment subtended from that same chord. So therefore, this angle here is going to be equal to that angle. So we know that KM KM and N is equal to 56 degrees. Again, why? Because the angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment subtended from that same chord. Okay. And then we also want to find, remember we want to find LMN, so we want to find all of this big angle here. Now, when we look at KL here, we have a tangent again, we have a chord here, and we have a tangent. And then this angle, KML, KML is equal to 48 degrees. Why KML is equal to 48 degrees? Because again, the same rule applies. The angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment subtended from that same chord. So therefore, this angle here is equal to this angle down here. Okay? So therefore, LMN is equal to the sum of these two angles, which is equal to 56 plus 48, and 56 plus 48 gives us 104 degrees. So therefore, angle LMN is equal to 44 degrees. Now, then we want to find the angle KLO. KLO. Earlier we said that this angle here was equal to 96 degrees. And we know that triangle KOL is an isosceles triangle. So if it is an isosceles triangle, what it tells you is that the base angles are equal. So these two sides are equal, and also these two angles are equal. So the base angles are equal. So now remember, all of this angle between tangent and a chord, angle between, sorry, semicircle between radius and a tangent is equal to 90 degrees. So here we have a radius KO, and we have the tangent, so all of this angle here is equal to 90 degrees. Now, if all of that angle is equal to 90 degrees, what it means is that this little piece inside here is equal to 30 degrees. How do we know that? Because 90 minus 48 plus 12, 48 plus 12, that's 60, 60 minus 90, 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 degrees. So therefore, this angle here is equal to 30 degrees. So if this angle is equal to 30 degrees, then OKL, therefore, OKL is going to be equal to the 12 degrees plus the 30 degrees, which is equal to 42 degrees. So this angle down here is equal to 42 degrees. Therefore, KLO, because these two angles are equal, KLO is also equal to 42 degrees, because we are dealing with an isosceles triangle and the base angles are equal. And if the base angles are equal, then it means that if one angle is one of the base angles is 42 degrees, the other is also 42 degrees. Now we want to find MLK. MLK, so it's MLK. So we want to find all of this angle here. Okay, so how are we going to find that angle? We know that the angle between the tangent and the chord, MLK. So we know that this angle here is already 48. That's what we know. And we also know that this angle down here is, this angle here is 30 degrees. So we know that. So because we know that that angle is 48 and that is 30 degrees, MLK, angles in a triangle equal to, angle in a triangle is equal to what? 180 degrees. So because angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, we know that MLK is going to be equal to 180 minus 48 plus 30, and that's 48 plus 30 is equal to 78. 180 minus 78 is equal to 102 degrees. And that's how we would have gone about solving for that answer. So therefore, MLK is equal to 142 degrees. And let's move to the next question. The next question now asks us to find angle KNM. KNM. And we know that, so we just MLK, remember MLK is equal to 102 degrees. We just worked that out earlier, but we need it for reference here. KNM, so KNM, all right, so we know that the figure KNML is what is called a cyclic quadrilateral. So if it is a cyclic quadrilateral, what do we know about a cyclic quadrilateral? Is that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So if they are supplementary, what that means is that they must add up to give you 180 degrees. So therefore, KNM plus KLM must equal to 180 degrees. That's what we know, right? So we know that. But what else do we know? We know that KLM or MLK is equal to 102 degrees. So therefore KNM is going to be equal to 180 degrees minus 102 degrees. So 180 minus 102 is equal to 78 degrees. So what that is saying up is that this angle here is equal to 78 degrees. And again, once you apply the concepts of circle theorem, so that's how we go about solving these circle theorem questions. And please remember that circle theorem is one of those topics that's very likely to come. And so because it's very likely to come, you must ensure that you are prepared to do a circle theorem question. Now, you can go back and watch my videos on circle theorem because I've done a series on all the rules in regards to circle theorem. So you may go back, watch those videos, and continue to practice your math so you can do well. Have a great and wonderful day. Be blessed.